Premises 187! Out banging the twins! Yeah! Oh man, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Hey buddy, just so you know, your fuel cap is open. I would repair it, but fucking, if it falls off and breaks, it's like, premises, you caused that. I'm not one of them bikers for humanity type guys. Premises is more of an anti-hero. For a couple of hours on a beautiful day. The bus is accelerating. What are you doing, you madman?
Come here prepared to fight a madman, and instead you found a god?
This is fucked. Yes.
Yeah, it's quicker than the brake.
Look at this absolute fuckhole. It's fucked over there, it's fucked here, it's fucked in the middle there. No, get out the way. Get out the way! You fucking dickhead! You fucking idiot!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh man. Made it. Whoa, so pretty. Fucking dickhead there.